Blackstone Betty. I have a special guest with me today, Vinny.
What's up, everybody?
He is a Blackstone owner that loves to throw down lots of meals in his South Philly home, and he came to visit me today and brought me some of my favorite sarcone rolls from the city.
So I know we both love sausage and peppers, but I would really love to learn how you do it your chopped up style with the peppers and onions and cheese.
I can't wait to show him how I do my sausage and peppers, nice and chopped up, just the way my kids love it. So let's jump right into this video. When it comes to sausage and peppers, I love chopping things small. My kids always liked it better that way, and we're showing Vinny how I do it, how I throw it down. Now you like your sausage
Hot.
and I'm gonna go for mild today. So let's get to cooking. First things first, we need to start our gravy or sauce.
Not sauce. Gravy.
Gravy.
It's gravy.
Okay, I have a shallow pan for my Blackstone side burner. I'm gonna smash up a couple of fresh garlic cloves that I'll add to some extra virgin olive oil. It's important to use fresh garlic cloves and stay away from the jarred garlic for this recipe. Let that begin to cook for about 30 to 60 seconds or until you can smell the garlic, making sure not to burn or brown it. To that, I'm going to add in a big 28-ounce can of good quality tomatoes. Look for San Marzano. They are best. If you find the whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes, dump them in a bowl first and crush them by hand, and then add them to your garlicky oil. I'll have Vinny tear off some of my fresh basil. I like to use a nice whole stem of this with a handful of basil leaves. It adds so much flavor. Now tomatoes love salt, so we'll grind in some nice Sicilian salt and my fresh cracked black pepper and let that begin to cook while we jump over to our peppers. I'm dicing up red and green bell peppers nice and small, along with an onion as well. I love chopping up my veggies super small. This way they incorporate with our chopped sausage perfectly. Turning on our Blackstone to medium heat and dropping down a little bit of olive oil and some garlic, and immediately adding my sweet sausage or mild sausage and Vinny his hot sausage. We're gonna cook this through chopping the meat up with our spatulas, or you could use the Blackstone scrapers. Not super small and fine, but nice and chopped up. This way your sausage is the same size as your veggies. This sausage is not going to take long at all, so into a little olive oil our veggies will go down to cook. We're going to season them up with our Blackstone Tutto Italiano and allow them to cook until tender to your own liking, mixing everything as it cooks. Our gravy or sauce is smelling heavenly, and our sausage and veggies look perfectly cooked, so it's time to divvy up our onions and peppers to mix through our sausage. Allow that to cook together a minute or so, tossing it to incorporate while we get our sarcone rolls split and ready to overload with all of this goodness. I'm going to spoon over some of my gravy into my sausage, and I guess I'll let Vin take some too. We'll be sure to serve some alongside our sandwiches for dipping. Mix that together, and now for our cheese. I like boar's head sharp provolone and mozzarella, both sliced at the deli, and I found out that Vinny does not like the sharp provolone, so he is going all mozzarella on his. That steam and the heat from our Blackstone instantly starts to melt the cheese. I like to mix my cheese throughout the meat, just like we do our cheesesteaks here, which Vinny can attest to. Now this smell brings me right back to my childhood instantly. Simple ingredients made with love. Time to load up our sarcone rolls. They are overstuffed, overloaded. And that is that. That is our chopped Italian sausage and peppers. Vinny did his nice and hot. I got mine all mild, but both are so cheesy and filled in my favorite sarcone rolls. I miss these so much from where I used to live. Vin, thanks for picking up the rolls.
You're welcome.
You're gonna have to come back and bring more, right?
I'll bring a whole dozen. Let's go.
And the family?
Everybody.
Pool party this summer? All right, I think it's time to eat. I can't wait for you to come back. It's been so fun having you here.
Thank
Cheers.
you for having me. Cheers.
I can't wait for you to taste. Oh, wait. We just did a cheers, which means it's only right for Vinny to do a bring it and bring it.
Bring it and bring it. Bring it and bring it.
We have to tell everybody, don't forget to go to griddlenation.com and to check out our YouTube channel where we can catch not only family style, but who else? CJ,
Nate,
Todd, and Bruce, and Destination Delicious.
And of course, you.
So go check them out. Go check out griddlenation.com for the apparel. And now we're gonna eat and sign off, and we'll see you guys next time. You like it? I need more gravy on mine. Do I stop it? I like to chop it up. Let's show everybody and seriously, look at them. Cheers to you.
Cheers.
I don't know if I can take a bite.
Wait, do I go close or like?
Hold on. Let's do that part again. Middle.
Okay.
Got it.
Video came at me.
You want to try them? I hope that you.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Family style.